Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Bitcoin on Robinhood and want to step up your security game in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to transfer your Bitcoin from Robinhood to a Ledger hardware wallet. This is super important because Ledger keeps your crypto offline, protecting it from online threats. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Ledger device is all set up. Download and install the Ledger Live app on your computer. Connect your Ledger via USB, and ensure it's updated to the latest firmware. This is your first line of defense for secure storage. Next, log into your Robinhood account on the app or website. Head over to your portfolio, find your Bitcoin holdings, and look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually right there in your crypto section, easy peasy. Now, for the key step. Get your Ledger wallet address. Open Ledger Live, select Bitcoin in the app, and click on Receive. This will generate a unique address. Double-check it on your Ledger device screen to avoid any mistakes. Copy that address carefully. Back in Robinhood, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review everything twice before hitting Confirm. Once you confirm, Robinhood will process the transaction, and it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to appear on your ledger, depending on the Bitcoin network. Keep an eye on it through Ledger Live or a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now safer than ever. Always double-check addresses to prevent scams, and never share your seed phrase. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.